The Prophet ﷺ, he said, whoever recites the last two verses of Surah Al-Baqarah at night, and in one of the narrations it says after Salatul Isha, then they will be sufficient for him. Never will they be recited in a house 3 nights, 3 consecutive nights, and a devil can come near that house. So if you recite them 3 nights in a row, no devil can come near your house, let alone come near you. It is a treasure, as the Prophet ﷺ said, I was given the ending verses of Surah Al-Baqarah, and they came from a treasure from under the throne of Allah Azza wa Jal. And finally, amongst its virtues is that the dua in it is honored and accepted by Allah. And this is reported by Imam Muslim. Ibn Abbas said, one day Jibreel was sitting with the Prophet ﷺ, and he heard a sound from above in the heavens. So he raised his head. Ibn Abbas said, Jibreel raised his head. And he said, this is a gate that was opened in the heavens today, and it was never opened before today. So an angel descended from that gate. And then Jibreel said, here comes an angel down to earth who never came down to earth before today. So that angel greeted them with salam, and then said to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, glad tidings to you with 2 sources of light. You were given, and no previous prophet was ever given, the opening chapter of the book, Al-Fatiha, and the last verses of Surah Al-Baqarah. You will never recite with a letter that is in them, except that you will be granted. Meaning, any dua in them, and which is the dua at the end of the surah, except that you will be granted that.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير. لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين.
We ask Allah's favor. We ask Allah to enable us to recite it